Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make an easy stir-fried radish cake in XO sauce. I have also included a link in description to my other video showing how to make radish cake. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. Cut radish cake into 1 1/4 inch cubes. XO sauce is available in Asian grocery stores. Mix with soy sauce, sugar, and chili oil. Prepare beaten egg and green onions. Heat up pan, add about 2 tablespoons oil. Pan fry each side of radish cake for 1 minute at medium heat. Turn down heat and push radish cakes to the side. Pour sauce and green onions in, stir fry briefly. Add 2 tablespoons of hot water, saute. Turn up heat, saute radish cake gently with sauce for about 1 minute. The radish cakes are evenly coated with sauce here. Add beaten egg, stir fry briefly. Scoop out. Look and smell good. Let me try a piece. Yummy. The yummy stir-fried radish cake in XO sauce is now ready to serve. Enjoy!